In this video, you'll learn how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook so your work and your inbox stay perfectly in sync. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll add tips along the way to keep everything clear and easy to follow. Let's start from inside your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main dashboard. What we're going to do is head over to the area where ClickUp keeps all of its integrations and add-ons. First, look for the apps or integration section in ClickUp. Depending on your layout and version, this might appear in your sidebar, in your settings menu, or under a dedicated apps or integrations option. If you don't see it right away, open your workspace settings or profile settings and look for anything labeled apps, integrations, or connected apps. That's where you want to go. Once you're in the apps section, you should see a list of tools that can connect to ClickUp along with a search bar. We're going to use that search bar to find the Outlook integration quickly instead of scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field and type Outlook. Give it a second and you should see the Outlook integration appear in the results. Sometimes you might see different Outlook related options, such as Outlook Mail or Outlook Calendar. Choose the one that matches how you plan to use it. If you're not sure, start with the main Outlook integration that ClickUp suggests by default. Now, select the Outlook integration from the list. This will open up a detail page or a small window with more information about what the integration does. You'll usually see a brief description, maybe some screenshots, and most importantly, a button that says something like Connect or Add. Go ahead and click the Connect button. At this point, ClickUp will redirect you to sign into your Outlook or Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. This might open in a new browser tab or a pop-up window. Sign in using the account you want to link with ClickUp. If you have multiple Outlook or Microsoft accounts, take a moment to confirm that you're connecting the correct one, especially if you separate your work and personal email. After signing in, you'll be asked to grant permissions so ClickUp and Outlook can share information. Carefully review the access it's requesting. Typically, this includes permission to read and manage certain items like emails, calendar events, or tasks, depending on the integration's features. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Accept or Allow to continue. Once you grant access, you'll be brought back to ClickUp, and the Outlook integration should now show as connected. If ClickUp offers any settings for the Outlook connection, such as choosing which workspace, list, or calendar to use, take a moment to review and adjust them to fit how you work. To finish up, double-check that the integration is active by looking for any confirmation messages in ClickUp or by testing a simple action like creating a task from Outlook or syncing an event, depending on the features available in your setup. That's it. You've gone to the apps section, searched for Outlook, and connected it to ClickUp. From here, you can start using the integration to save time, reduce manual copying, and keep your projects aligned with your inbox.